The car community is dying. I'm gonna get a lot of heat for this video, so just give me a minute to mentally prepare for it. There's one huge reason the car community of the great old US of hate is toxic and has been dying. And it is, well, hate. Cue the "you're just butthurt and can't take a joke" comments. Well, when it comes to building cars, there's no pleasing everyone. No matter what you do with your car, someone will hate on it or find a way to put you and it down. Whether it's a drag build, drift build, stance, time attack, built not bought, or form of a function, there will always be some kind of criticism from people that are either just jealous, hate their lives, don't have parents that love them, had an uncle that touched them, was neglected as a child, got bananas thrown at them at school, got whip fingers stuck in their ears, got dumped because they have a small pee-pee, sniffed coke, missed the AA meeting, got hit by a coconut, doctors farted on their face as a baby, got dropped at the age of 2, been under the influence of crack since 3, hide behind the keyboard because it's the only source of masculinity they have, or had nothing better to do with their lives other than giving their distasteful opinions. Okay, I have a lot of pent up anger about this. Your build is for you. It shows who you are as a person and showcases your personality. It's not for anyone else to criticize. If people enjoy it, it's great. You guys get to talk about it. If they don't, well, they can move on. Your build should make you happy. Mad occasionally when it breaks, but generally happy. When I first got into cars, all I wanted to do was learn. I see a lot of new people wanting to join in on the car community and immediately regret it because of, well, internet trolls. Facebook is the main culprit for this one. And Reddit too, but that's a whole different topic. People will ask simple questions like what oil should they use or where are the meats usually held at? And people will usually respond vegetable oil and in the grocery aisle in the back of Costco. Is this where they actually keep the meat in Costco? Because I've never actually been to Costco before. That response alone makes the community feel a lot like middle school. I used to be bullied. I mean, that's the reason I wanted to be a comedian. People always used to laugh at me. Car meets and takeover events. Car shows and car meets are usually fun and great ways to make new friends. You go, you park your car somewhere and get some good eats and chill. But no. What occasionally happens is people roll in and what attention because they were neglected as a child and have mommy and daddy issues.
Oh, I can't say that? Okay.
Usually what happens is people come into the event and do burnouts and get the event shut down. Leave the event, do burnouts, into traffic, and get the event shut down. Start two-stepping, cops show up, the event gets shut down. If you dumbasses would stop doing dumb shit, then the car community will start having more events to go to. This brings up takeovers. I won't lie, I indulge in the occasional spectatorship of takeovers on YouTube. Shout out to Supercar Suspects for that. However, I've been to one takeover and it's very dangerous. Gladly, the one I went to, no one was hurt. However, blocking off busy streets just to do donuts will get the car community shut down quickly and give everyone that even remotely likes cars a bad name. Funny part is, half the people that do participate in these events don't even own their cars. Their parents do. So go take that BMW 328i G37 sedan or Mustang back home before I go call your mommy. And she puts you on punishment. I don't know what I'm talking about. So how can you fix this dying community? Well, when it comes to hate or the new car enthusiast, instead of trying to look cool and impress other guys, unless that's what you're into, I don't judge, help that person out. They don't know that the 335 forums get asked common questions like, how can I make at least 400 wheel horsepower? Point them in the right direction and help them build their cars because that's all we want. That's the whole point of a community, is to build. Police presence. A lot of people don't like the police, but some cities are really trying to step up community relationships. That includes car shows and car meets. Get permission to be at that location and get the cops to come out to watch over the event so nobody does anything stupid. Car rallies and cruises. This one is my favorite because I like driving cars, but host your own car rallies and have car cruises with your friends. Meet up at the food joint or whatever and park up, eat, go find some back roads to rip up, cruise on the highway or just roll through downtown. I guarantee you it's so much fun. Lastly, find properties that allow burnouts, donuts, and drifting. They are out there. They are property owners that are just as much of enthusiasts as we are. Just clean up after yourself. Comment down below why you think the car community is dying and, well, what you can do to fix it. thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and I'll see you guys next time.